quick question. Did y'all know Dollar Tree has Cinnamon Toast Crunch crispy treats? They don't, but let me show you how. So I use Chef Mimi J's brown butter Rice Krispie treat recipe. And we're going to make it. We're just not going to brown the butter. So melt your butter. Yeah. Nice smooth. Melt all the way down. Then add your marshmallows. I did not have enough marshmallows for this recipe. And I tried to overcompensate by adding more sweetened condensed milk. And unfortunately, that just did not work. So it is what it is. Make sure you got the right amounts. So I melt it down. I wind up adding some salt and some vanilla just to add a little extra flavor and just make it really pop. Because that's what salt does. Salt brings out the sweetness. And it's also going to bring out like the vanilla and the butter and just all the good quality. So don't be afraid to put salt in your desserts. So this recipe doesn't need vanilla, but I chose to add it. So if you didn't include the vanilla, the recipe would take roughly $6.25 to make, which not too bad. Plus, they have like Fruity Pebbles and whatever other cereal you can find at Dollar Tree. You can just swap it out. So I added my homemade sweetened condensed milk. It was delicious, and I think I might have added butter and vanilla to it, and it was so good. Yeah, I had to stop myself from like licking the bowl. So yeah, you just mix that till it's well combined. Then you're gonna add your cereal, toss it in there, make sure it's combined, fully coated. And after that, you're just gonna put it in like a baking pan or whatever and let it chill. A lined baking pan, whether it's aluminum foil, parchment paper, wax paper, something, because it's gonna be real sticky. So when you press it down, you don't want to press it down too hard because you don't want to be firm and just hard to bite through. So yeah, y'all, I understand these millennial pauses because I be pausing because it don't be recording at time. But back to my point. This is like a really quick, easy snack for you to make for your kids, whether it's after school, for a party, or a get together, for you the kid. You could be the kid and that's fine. It's perfectly fine. So I'm sure the kid, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch is my favorite cereal. So I really made it for me. And y'all just reap the benefit of seeing how I made it. Cause yeah. But because I was trying to speed up the cooling process and the setting, I put it in the freezer, left it in there for a couple days, like with no covering on it. So unfortunately it made the cereal soggy. So don't do that. Of course, always taste your food. Just because, taste it. I love tasting. So yeah, after I did that and let it set, unfortunately, like the extra sweet condensed milk coagulated at the bottom. I tried my best to not get like a good view of it so y'all didn't see my mess up. But I messed up and it's okay. It was delicious. It was great. It was fun to make, fun to do. I really like experimenting and hopefully y'all do too. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye.